On February 2nd, 2025, an officer stopped a woman named Janelle Adams outside Hippo Sports based on a tip from store staff who claimed to watch her conceal merchandise. That single tip is where every legal question in this encounter begins. The officer's first question, did you happen to steal anything? Skips any neutral opening. That matters. Because the law draws a line between a consensual encounter and a detention, and that line determines what rights apply and when.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine. I'm coming from Hibbett Sports?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you happen to steal anything while you're in Hibbett Sports?
No.
May I search your stuff, make sure that you didn't take anything from Hibbett Sports?
I mean, I didn't steal anything, so I don't know why you have to search.
To see if that's accurate or not? They're advising that you had taken some items. If it's nothing major, then it's not that big a deal. But especially in today's climate.
Yeah, no.
So there's nothing in there.
No.
Okay. So all right. So you get your ID with you.
Yeah.
May I see it, please?
Yeah. Oh, it's in my purse or in my car.
Hold up.
Grab it.
Yep.
Grab it out of my car.
Is somebody else with you?
No, I'm by myself.
Okay. Which car?
The black car.
A couple black cars.
The dirty one.
The little Chevy.
Cruise, yeah.
Okay. Just walk over there.
Yeah.
On the passenger side, please.
Yeah.
Edward Lincoln 58932. Edward Lincoln 58932. Go ahead. So those items that are under your arm, those didn't just come from Hibbett's?
No, I've had these.
You've had those?
Yeah.
What is that?
They're just sweatpants.
Sweatpants?
Yeah.
What's the tag on there?
There's no price tag. I've had them.
Standard fit high rise?
Yeah.
Where did those come from?
I've had them with me.
But where did you get them from whenever you initially
Hibbett
got
Sports.
them? Oh, okay.
And I don't steal. So if I need to
Okay.
get in trouble, I need to get in trouble. I don't steal shit. Never have I stolen shit.
Okay. But this may very well be the thing that they're questioning.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Just give my keys, give me my ID.
Have you been arrested here before?
No, I've never stolen.
Have you been arrested in Litchfield before?
No.
Sure.
Yes, positive.
What's your name?
Janelle Adams.
Look familiar.
Well, I don't know where my keys are now. I'm freaked out. My keys are not
10-4. Yeah, I was just seeing if your DL was in there.
Yeah. It's in there.
Where is it? I'm not having much luck.
You want me to go talk to them?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's fine. Can't find it?
No.
It's not in your purse?
No. Got gas.
Did she give a 27 response with that 28?
Montgomery 141. Did a 27 have to come with that registration? What's your middle initial?
I
10-4. Okay. Are you still looking for your ID, or are you done?
yeah. I know I have my ID. Now.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's walk over here by the squads.
Yeah.
You need to set your purse there on the hood. You don't have anything on you I need to know about, do you? Drugs, guns, knives,
God,
bombs, weapons,
no.
nothing like that?
No.
No needles, no open razor
I
blades?
don't do any of that.
Put your keys in there. I'm just going to pat you down real quick, make sure you don't have anything. Okay, do me a favor. I'm going to have you have a seat in here. Whoop,
Okay.
maybe.
Hi there.
That's what you're looking for.
Okay. What's going on?
Pants on her?
What's that?
Does she have the pants on her?
What pants?
They're these. She lost the tag and the hanger. They're size large and they're these here. That's what she should have had. I don't know if she got something else.
That's what she has. Standard fit high res, that's them. She said she bought them another time.
She did not. I watched her put them in her bag.
Okay. We've got her, I think the officer, yeah. Officer Lamb is handling this. He probably wants to talk to you. I'm going to take this out there with me.
Did they say what she said?
She said she left the hanger and the price tag, and she walked me over to the pants rack, and that's what she's got, the standard high rise,
Okay.
$70.
Okay. Are they wanting to pursue charges for retail theft? Or they just want the product back or enter or what?
Okay. What are you looking to have done here?
Banned for sure, but I don't know if he wants to, if we press charges or what we do.
Okay.
She has the pants on her. They stopped her. What do we do? You want to press charges? What do we do? Okay. He's gonna call our loss prevention real quick.
Okay.
Never gotten products back before. It's a new one.
I think she was on her way back here. Had she made it out to her car yet?
I didn't see her with the car. I went out there to vape, and she was walking down that way.
Okay.
And that's when you guys grabbed her. She I watched her do it. She was over here, hunched down, shoved it in her purse, zipped it up, put the hanger there. I found the tag there, and she walked around, and then I went back to call, and she walked out.
Okay.
Hello? Press charges? Yes. Go to press charges.
Okay. Management wants to pursue charges.
They do. Okay. Standard high rise fit. That's what that says as well.
They're hanging right over there.
Okay.
Nike.
Yes.
Yep, that's them.
Okay. Well, we'll grab a picture of it. Yeah. Oop, shit. Did you see all the other stuff in her car?
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah. Kind of new looking stuff.
And she didn't want that door open for very long. So she was over there by the rack. Squatted down, stuffed with her purse, started walking around.
Okay. Yep. $70. I guess if they can give me a receipt, that'd be great. Are you guys wanting this back? Yeah. Okay. She advises that she had that stuff with her when she came in, so.
I watched her squat down and put it in her purse. So.
You watched her put it in her purse?
Yeah.
Okay. And band as well? Okay.
Receipt, like a training receipt for the value of that,
Okay.
or however you do that.
Yeah, I'll take it out.
I'm gonna run out here to my car.
Yeah, of course.
If you want to bring that out to me, or I'll come in when you're done with that.
Thanks. Okay. So, at this time you're under arrest for retail theft, okay? You get your hands, put them out in front of you there. I'm going to cuff you up front just to make your life a little bit easier, okay?
Yep.
Turn your wrist like that. Thank you. I'm going to double lock those so they don't clamp down on you by accident. I didn't miss anything on your person or anything, right?
No.
Okay. So, just so you're aware, they watched you put that in your purse. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court or other proceedings. You have the right to an attorney. You have the right to have one present with you before any questioning if you wish. You can't afford one but he appointed to you for even a cost to you before questioning if you wish. Okay, I'm having a hard time with this. And yeah, I already got it. Okay. You don't have to speak to me or answer any questions, and you can stop at any time. You understand that? Ma'am?
What?
You understand your rights? You know what your rights are?
No, I never do. I always get taken advantage of. But how can I help you?
Okay. So, I'm just advising you of your rights.
And what is that, sir?
You have the right to remain silent. Okay? You understand that?
Yep.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court or other proceedings. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
You have the right to an attorney. You have the right to have an attorney with you before any questioning if you wish. If you cannot afford an attorney, want to be appointed to you free of any cost before if you wish. You understand?
Yep.
Okay.
Is that what she's got there? You asked her any questions?
Not really. I just told her So they watched you put it in your purse, so you're under arrest for retail theft. But she didn't really say anything.
Are you going to do anything about her suspension?
I mean, I didn't see her driving. I wouldn't even know that car was there.
Thank you much. So yeah, it's going to be the 70.
We put that in the box.
Yep. Okay. I'll have that done so you can open up your case and print it out.
141, go ahead.
Female 1095.
Transfer.
The Supreme Court's decision in Terry versus Ohio allows an officer to briefly detain someone based on reasonable, articulable suspicion, specific facts, not a hunch. A store employee who personally watched the concealment act is exactly the kind of first-hand basis that clears that bar. But the officer then asked to search her belongings. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamante, consent must be voluntary, uncoerced, not just a response to police pressure. The exchange here was brief, and the subject's reply ambiguous. That's a real problem if the search ever gets challenged in court. She couldn't explain clearly where the pants came from. Vague answers like, "I've had them with me," don't establish prior ownership. Combined with a visible store tag and a matching eyewitness description, the evidentiary picture was building against her well before any arrest. The officer walked into the store before making an arrest. Good call. The employee gave a specific account, squatted near the rack, stuffed the pants into the purse, zipped up, walked out. Under Illinois versus Gates, that first-hand specificity is exactly what moves a tip into probable cause territory. Probable cause requires facts sufficient to make a reasonable officer believe a crime was committed, and this person did it a higher bar than reasonable suspicion. The eyewitness account, the merchandise still in her possession, and the matching tag all converge here. Store personnel flagged items in her vehicle that looked new. The officer let it go the right call. Looking through a window isn't a search. Opening the door without consent or a warrant would have been a Fourth Amendment violation, and one that could have unraveled the entire case. The pat-down at around 5 minutes 50 seconds was legally sound. Once a subject is detained and arrest is imminent, a Terry frisk is authorized to check for weapons. Brief, outer clothing only. No contraband found. Textbook. At 12 minutes 25 seconds, the officer formally announced the arrest. Handcuffs applied in front as an accommodation. Double locked at 12:53 to prevent unintentional tightening. These details aren't small. Improper restraint technique generates civil liability and can complicate the arrest record. Then came Miranda. Miranda versus Arizona requires that before custodial interrogation, a suspect be told they have the right to remain silent, that anything said can be used in court, and that they have the right to an attorney appointed if they can't afford one. The officer delivered these warnings twice. The first time, at around 13 minutes 8 seconds, was fragmented and buried mid-conversation. The second, at 13:52, was complete and confirmed. That gap is where the exposure lives. Any statement made between those two moments could be challenged for suppression. She said she never knows her rights. She did better than she thought. No resistance, no flight, no confession. What hurt her was answering questions about the pants. The Fifth Amendment protects the right to say nothing, and that silence cannot be used against a defendant. Officer Lamb receives a B. He corroborated the tip before arresting, stayed professional, and handled the physical arrest correctly. Two things cost him: the ambiguous consent exchange early on, and a Miranda delivery that was fragmented when it needed to be clean. Janelle Adams receives a B+. She maintained consistent denials and didn't physically resist at any point, both legally smart moves, whether intentional or not. The gap in her score comes from her vague explanations about where the pants came from, which undercut her claim of prior ownership. 3 takeaways. When police ask to search, you can say no. Saying yes closes that door. Vague answers about ownership aren't neutral. They become evidence. And Miranda delivered in pieces still counts, but statements made before the complete advisement sit in contested territory. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.